Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, most delicious peach cobbler in just 5 minutes of prep time. Yes, you heard that right. 5 minutes. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this super simple recipe. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, divided into 3/4 cup and 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course 2 cups of sliced peaches, fresh or canned, both work. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, let's mix our batter. It's so easy you won't believe it. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick stir to mix everything together. Now pour in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Stir until just combined. Don't overmix. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Next, take your baking dish and pour the melted butter evenly across the bottom. This will create that delicious golden crust we all love in a cobbler. Now carefully pour the batter over the melted butter. Don't stir it. Just let it sit right on top. Trust me, it'll work its magic in the oven. Time for the star of the show, the peaches. Arrange your peach slices evenly over the batter. If you're using canned peaches, make sure to drain them first. Sprinkle the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar over the peaches. This will caramelize in the oven and give your cobbler that perfect sweet crunch. Pop your cobbler into the preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the edges are bubbling. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. While that's baking, let's take a quick break. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy recipes like this one. Okay, it's ready. Look at that golden, bubbly perfection. Let it cool for just a few minutes before serving. Now, for the best part, serving it up. I love topping mine with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The warm cobbler and cold ice cream together? Absolute heaven! So good. Crispy on top, soft and gooey in the middle, and bursting with peach flavor. Plus, it only took 5 minutes to prep. How awesome is that? Thanks for watching, and I hope you give this 5-minute peach cobbler a try. Recipe is in the description. Don't forget to tag us if you make it. We'd love to see your creations. See you next time. Subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for watching.